Oh, hi there. Let me share my screen first. Okay. So I also want to see any news for today. Either you have unemployment claims. That's it. Nothing much. So I want to see what happened yesterday before I explore the chat for today. Okay. So the reason why it's not worked because the market is extremely bullish, right? And just in 1 hour. That's good. So the market is extremely bullish. It gives some pullback. It's what I expected to see. I can clearly see it gives a pullback right to this point, to this inefficiency. That's why earlier got inverted, break and displaced, and it drops lower. Holy fuck! Okay, drops lower to this spot. Then it's straight back higher. For it to reach that high, instead it gives some reaction to the downside. I understand that. I captured that, and as soon as it drops to this low, reading twice it's failed to reach. I planned this and this as my target and little bit. The left side there's some these are all the low resistance. These are all the low resistance we can expect the price to go continue higher. We need to be bullish. But after this high, we got a huge drop till this point, till this inversion candle. Then you can clearly see it's straight back higher failed to reach this high. Instead it gives a price action. So I tried. And it worked till this. This is where the Asian law resides. So it worked till this point. After this, it's not work. It kind of reverse the directions. From this point, it's in the market maker model, and this is where I find that entry. I know it's good. It will work, but I don't know where it will work. It's kind of working really good, right? So going up, engineering these liquidities, drop down, swept, good displacement, and it's failed to take these. Took this high, bro. Took this high and it's going to take that high. It gives a decent pullback, 1 to 3 hours pullback to this spot. Then it gives the real mod night 2 o'clock London session. It will go all there. So the Asian session consolidates here. But this is the London session expansion. So these are all low resistance for today. That's the reason why it won't go because it's in high time frame wise. There is nothing for me to use to guaranteed it will work. If you see that there is a huge expansion, take this and this high. It's also revisit this spot. So hereafter we need to be bullish. Visit this spot and it's kind of like breakout, retest, pullback, right? So maybe some pullback traders might enter a buy and trade to the stock here, right? That will work for sure. That worked for sure. But some inside base action I use that to enter. Sometimes it will be like fuck, but in 15 minutes you can surely see just a dump. GPPUSD, what happened yesterday here? Why it's not worked? I entered a buy enter here, it's a clean model, why it's not worked? So I want to start with, I want to start with 5 minutes, like 1 hour, just 1 hour. So if you can clearly see, there is like pump yesterday, right? Just keep on pumping, like break, huge pump to the upside, which is like, yeah, not this one. I think this one. Tuesday, Wednesday. So there's a huge pump right from Tuesday's 5 o'clock. This so it's a huge pump to the upside. And this is a mark of a drawn liquidity. And when I'm dropped down to lower time frame, and you can clearly see it's a big fair value gap right here. So at this level, like so this is the internal liquidity bro. This is where the price comes right. Yeah, let's go all the way up, respecting this area. Oh, see that? Break, expansion and fair value gap getting tapped. Drop all the way down to which spot, bro? This spot. Why this spot? Because if we see the swing, this is the clean fair value, right? This is the clean fair value. We also got this inversions, the fair value of that holding the price got ran through. We got that inversions. You can clearly see the clean fair value gap in combined with this internal liquidity. Price drop all the way down to take this liquidity, then the trade back high. So always target this. So the problem is in 15 minutes I identified one thing from the left, we are inside the very first inversion plus fair value gap. So inside this range, it start to reverse the direction. So it's a print goes up, drops down, one more time, again drops down, we break this low, and we got an expansion boom, nice displacement, not only break but also displacement. You can clearly see it break and close below this low, which means it's a structure shift. It's a structure shift. So my concern is if this liquidity just take if this low take it and if it's continuously hold, we can expect the price here and here. That is one case. If this gets ran through, which means we can expect the price stay inside this range to reach this low because this is the liquidity for me. This is the liquidity for me in higher time frame 1 hour wise. This is the clean liquidity. So um so as per my wish, so why it's not work? Because it's 15 minutes you can clearly see it's a market structure shift. So we got this clear inversion and you got the market structure shift and you can clearly see price failed to close above this range. That respecting the consequent encroachment of this level, it just drops down. So here at this point, you don't get anything, right? I mean, this is the only manipulation we have, but it doesn't print the market like a fair value gap. So this is the only manipulation we have. But before that manipulation, it's already inverted this candle as well. So before it happened, it's already inverted this. It's closed below this, which clearly means we need to expect the price to go lower. But it manipulate only last time towards what? Towards this inversion candle, towards the inversion candle, towards the breaker. So if this moves real, if this break is real, it should hold the price. It should hit the fair value. It should displace higher. But the very next candle drops close below this range, created this inefficiency, and you can clearly see that aspect, and it drops down, take this liquidity, which is a London low as well. Then it start to trade back higher. So now the drawn liquidity should be this and this. Let me see. That is the reason why, and also in 15 minutes, in 5 minutes, it's inside the range. It gives a market structure shift. You get a big displacement. Market structure shift will give a big displacement. So this. and this is also getting inverted, and this is also it's not in, this is also getting inverted at this point. Yeah, not a proper high low, bro. I don't know what should I say. In 5 minutes, it's if you can see that, maybe it's not a good entry model or what. So if I get any sort of entries here, that would be great. I can shoot that entry. If that's a clean break structure, inversion structure, nice displacement. Candle close below here, and this is also closed below. This suspected, and this move is just a manipulation. That's the reason why nothing has been hold here. There's nothing there. Now, that's the reason why it's failed to hold. It's break the structure and give the pullback to this high, and it just drops down to this level. This would be 15 web, not bad. Hmm. That's the reason why, because I thought this is the liquidity. This where I been 15 1, so I should kill every time it's a 5 value. So I tried this, I get stopped out, and you can clearly see why it's not worked. It's nothing here. There is no proper high-low form. There is no breakup structure, proper breakup structure with this placement. Like yeah, it's in order to be a plus model. It's just it just gives some just give some reaction say this range, but in 1 minute it give a lot of things, but it's 3 minutes it fell to in 3 minutes if you can see this is where I enter. So if there is an entry, it should be here, bro, not here. That's the thing. If there's an entry, it should be like here. Drops lower, and order flow is bearish. You can clearly see the low, high, low. High. So if there is an entry, it should invert this candle. It should break this high. It should break this level. It should displace higher like this. And then only it should be an entry. So what happened? Again, one more time, it's break this high, displace higher. And if there is if this entry would work, it should hold this level. It should give some reaction. It should do something. But it's simply close below this level. And it's trade back into this parallel again. High, low rejection. You got a breakout structure. You can enter here. Stop. It should be at this 50%, 50% tight stop. You're targeting this like that's the only thing we could do if I'm patient. So that's the reason why it won't work though. Because we got a 15-minute market structure shift, we got a 5 minute, 3 minute market structure shift. And this it doesn't give the deep pullback. That's the only problem. It doesn't give the deep pullback. Due to this is the pullback and drops down. This consolidation and it gives some reaction inside this parallel. There is no structure shift here. There is no inversion here. No inversion, no structure shift. So this entry is completely bullshit. And this entry, it seems like refined is you cannot see that this is the origination of the trend, right? So you cannot take randomized entry. So it seems like okay, low, high, low, break, displacement goes below the last aspect candle. So we might expect the price to kill this high at least and this high. That's my plan. Just if it's break this high, we can go break even. But if you can clearly see there is not a proper displacement five area. Only five area is this. That's get inverted. That's get inverted. And that second five area getting inverted. So there is no point of trading this. So it's just a manipulation, just nothing. So the whole manipulation has been taken out here. So taken out here, breakout structure, pull back, take the liquidity. So you need to be a little bit careful with that. You cannot execute everything. You need to align the all kind of data together. So now I want to go to daily time frame. Now the time is 8:21. We still have the time. I don't think market will give some sort of. If there is an entry, I will take. If it's complied with my model, I would try and be patient, be controlled. And I don't want to see that. I just want to, as soon as I enter, I how to have the plans for everything and set all the alerts and just walk away. So GBPUSD. So this is what I'm think. This is the previous day high, and so previous high day high should be the first priority target. So previous day high should be the first priority target, and this side should be the second priority target. So these are the two targets we have, first and second, and you can clearly see the fair value gap. After this accumulation, we get a break, we get a fair value gap, beautifully respected, trade higher. This should be the target now. So third target would be this. Can we take this as the third target? Third target would be this liquidity. Let me see what's going to happen. These are the targets for buy side. Sell side, obviously, this low, this equal low should be the sell side liquidity target. Okay. Yes. For we got a good push. Like we already break the structure. Good push drops down to this level, to this breaker, then it's again start to trade back higher. We're expecting the price to reach this high, but it gives some reaction, drops lower. It seems like an inversion, right? It seems like fucking inversion in forever, but it won't work. So, so obviously, if it is an inversion, price shouldn't close below this level, close above this level, but it's closed above, but and also inverted this candle. So we need to be bullish inside this range and targeting higher prices. That's it. Nothing more than that. Drops lower, take some sort of liquidity. 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock candle. Drops lower the next candle. Nice, this 11 o'clock candle. Sounds good. And we are inside the 4 hour gap. Sorry, we are inside this gap. So inside this gap, we need to be bullish and targeting this side. Okay, we are bullish right now. And consolidation, boom, boom, boom. Liquidity, this distance already falling. So we already inverted this candle. So yeah, so obvious targets we have. Let's see. Why I mark this? The reason why I mark this, this is the wig that rejected this big fair value gap, big fatty fair value gap in 1 hour. So unless or until it's closed below, I need to be like bullish and targeting higher prices. If it's closed below, we can target lower prices. This huge pull of liquid and everything. So let me see in 15 minutes. So we got a nice drop and and we close above this level. Let me see what's going to happen next. I mark this level because it's something good. Okay. Drops lower. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. So we got the reaction at the previous day fair value gap, right? Previous day 5 minutes fair value gap. Yep. As soon as price reach the 15 minute like that breaker plus that level, second give the reaction drop. Second give the reaction, we give the market structure shift at what time? 6:45. Give the market structure shift. We have that inversion. It's obviously dropped down to that 1 hour fair value gap. Take all this liquidity, 50% level consolidation. It's fading back. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. That's so good. So I reach the spot, it gives the reaction, take this liquidity, we got this inversion plus market segregation, we got this variation, and implementation targeting this high. Okay. High, low, high, low, high, low. Okay. Mm-hmm. Asian range. Okay, this one case. I super good. Okay. And when I did recently, bro, for a fact, you got to travel your 50% error. Seriously, but financial error. When I get any market issue, right? This time emotion. You know, you're gonna get a market issue. So this is the first time you get an issue. Hearthstone, that emotion, break and display skills. You got the parallel, okay? Expect this to if the price drop down to this sort of pumping higher, we can expect this to take. That's a bit parallel again. Could you use it really nicely pretty if it's a price drops down? If it's not the upside, that would be great. So let's see pretty here. The price drops down, gives some reaction, so we can enter the trade and targeting this person has entering. And likewise, if I have done this, I will give like 1 hour, take this loss. We have the market structure shift here. Inversion. We got that inversion, but we get the market structure shift out here. So this should be a model. Like we said this or this variable, this should be a data model. And we'd like to see price reach this lows. And we'd like to see price take this high and take this high. That's the plan for the whole thing. Let me see. Just watching it in one minute. So such is 50% error. This is the first reaction, but that is not structure. So that's why it's give the pullback. The good spot. This part into the last camera. And again, in motion. In trying to reach that high. Once reach that high. Time and price align ஆகிற வரைக்கும் time and price align ஆகிற வரைக்கும் it won't go higher. So the entry could be at 820. So start this level should be time. This will be this level and this level process. And I did it. கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லோவா இருக்கு. ம். Just interested. Yeah. இந்த இடத்துல நம்ம எடுத்துடலாம். இது தாண்டி ப்ளீஸ் க்ளோஸ் ஆகிறப்ப எடுத்துடலாம். We are waiting. எடுக்காம திருப்பி feedback displays break with profile that's limited should be here. Stop at this one that is இந்த இடத்த வெயிட் பண்ணி cautious. அதான் பண்ணிருக்கேன். அதை நான் பண்ணேன். SMT print ஆகல. That's something I feel good. I already as a late as well. So I'm compliant. 11 problems. So here that's a good idea. 50% is there. Sometimes I get it for a while and will be a construction and modular innovation. I'm not going to talk about the innovation and the immediate power of great actual data and train around start and the loan of chance of event that you have checked. As I was close to this level, but the breaker now, and then the breaker and much to kind of that's okay, that's all good. Let me see what's happened now. This is a major liquidity, let's see. If I entered here, 5 o'clock, I wait till 7 o'clock. If I entered like as soon as we stop to this area, as soon as I identify 3 minute line, rejection, so I entered here, rejection, entered here. As I wait for this kind of close, I entered here, stuck with this slope, still it's protected, but it's this close. It's as soon as it's dropped down to the equilibrium level, it give a really nice reaction. And keep on jumping, keep on taking support at the 50% level. Take support, inversion break, and take supports that break displacement. got the emotion again. You should you take this entry to stop what this one expecting this side. That's a good scam. And this is something yeah. The thing is, bro, I just open the chart and see and try to analyze it, but as soon as I analyze it, it's an entry. I should take this because my draw rate is higher. It's phone already reacted, and we already got the inversion. We already created a favor and it's come and tap this, respect this value and close higher. This is something I should enter and put the stop at this low and expecting higher prices. This is something I should do, but I was like, fuck, how can I do that? It's the same thing. So if you see the license section, low has been realistic, product high has been breaken has been broke. So now we have the really nice push to the downside. So this liquidity, we have this inversion. I create a favor as soon as it's get tapped, you can enter, put the stop at this low. I expecting the push to go higher to till like a London high. And if it break at this place, this level, we can target this low resistance. That's something I could do. I see that forming like it's inverted this candle, let's break and close above this level and create this inefficiency. I can go for buy. I was like, let me see the reaction. It's kind of like tap and start back up. So I don't. I was like, I just open the chat and see it says an entry. How can I fucking take that? That's the problem. Bro. If I find the entry after 5 minutes, after 10 minutes, after 15 minutes of analysis, that's good. But open the chart and see there's an entry. It's like what the fuck, bro? Even if I enter here, even if I see here, this seems like an entry. After that, it's keep on holding. Get market structure share. Nice pullback. Yeah, nice inversion. Market structure share. Nice pullback. Sub this. This is 30% level could be inversion. Good entry, bro. As soon as I get this value, I should have entered here and put stop at this low. When expecting happen. That's a valid thing. Okay, all good. I didn't do it. So two trades max. $400 you want to see. $400 risk. No man close. No manual close. No manual close. No manual. No manual close. Cutting trades. One, two, we show number of trades. Risk. No manual close. Cutting trades. Restriction. Then let's alert system. Alert management system. Alert management system. If it's need that liquidity and if it's dropped down to this level, that's a fucking A plus model now. But I don't think it will leave this high and just drop down. That would be sweet. But I don't think so. We need to be patient with it. Market will give some entries. This is also entry, but it's kind of scalp. I entered here and I just closed my questions. That's like scalping. I don't want to do it. Article inversion. So the last series of candle technically close above this close above. So after this will happen, break plus inversions. We need to be bullish inside this range. If the price reach this level and just keep on respecting, we can enter that range and put the stop at this low. And you can clearly see the 50% of the FSD support as displacement, pull back, inversion, five. We supposed to hold this trade till this high. There's no point of thinking. I mean, go. I get a model and let's start shoot up to this point. Mhm. If there's an entry, it should be here, bro. Or not on the city shift displacement direction, the failed negative, so obviously can export handlers, so yeah, kilometer transport, yeah, kilometer transport, just about to okay, it would easily get taken more. I didn't. So two trades, $400 risk, no manual close cutting, no cutting trades. It should be either it should hit stop loss, either it should hit no 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 active element. I will micromanage my position but not actively. Meaning to say, as soon as I enter the trade, I will set some alerts, stop loss, target, and break it. Three alerts. I only have three alerts. So three alerts is more than enough. One alert is for stop loss, one alert is for partials, not partial, one alert is for break even, one alert is for target. So as soon as it hit the break even point, I'm going to break even the trade. As soon as it hit the stop loss point, I'm done. I'm done for the day. As soon as it's hit the what does that mean? Target, well and good. So it should be no active act management mean just keep yesterday I just keep on changing my stop, moving my stop, keep on. It's go to the target, bro. It's not go to the exact target, but it's go to the target. So there is no point of micromanage it. I have to trust the process. So so yesterday I was like keep on changing it, keep on changing, keep on changing. It's pretty good. I yesterday because yesterday I lost in my very first trade. So I kind of little bit scared to enter again. That's why I was like, bro, bro, what I can do now. So we got a clean market structure shift after this internal speed. We got a okay. That's something I love to see. Let's see. Now at this point I'm expecting the place to drop slower. So now I want to delete this guy and plot this guy. To plot this guy, this big fatty guy, you can clearly see the 50% level. And if it stops to this level, gives up to any sort of inversion, any sort of market making model, we are about to buy this level and targeting this side. That's good. So maybe this why we need to see the reaction though. If you see the body reaction, if it's rejected, if it's pumping higher, we are good to go. If it's not, if it's just like straight to the low and close below this level, obviously these all low has been taken. If it's close below this level, this is a drawn liquidity then. Okay. Euro USD, no, no SMT, nothing. Looking at, I don't know, looking at, could be this low, we can target. If it drops down to this low, okay, so blue market again model, we can target this. So far, we need blue bullish. Obviously. Okay, we are dropping down, and we need to go to 1 minute. I need to see after this internal range liquidity, after this big 5 rally, 25 rally here, what is about to happen. I marked out the 5 minutes gap. Hmm, if you just simply inverted this, what's the point of entering this cat trade, bro? That's bullshit then, right? I don't think so. It won't gonna it will not gonna do that. It might take support here and take that highs, or else it drops down to this level. Don't panic. Don't be like, oh, just be patient. Just be like, relax. This is internal liquidity. If it will come, stay. It will get taken. It just drops down. Some sort of inversion, some sort of reaction, some sort of bullish reaction, some sort of something. So I can enter the trade, place my stop loss at the third candle low, like expecting the price to take the side. That should be my partial. And final take profit should be then my target the flow resistance liquidity then, like you can clearly see that. A lot of liquidity is right there, lot of flow resistance. So you can be store bullish. Then you see if it's created an entry model, I'll just leave the area open and just go and take the high and just I don't know. I don't want to decide. I plan anything. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting and watching. I have my flip. It's inversion. I have this fair value gap. I have the central liquidity. I have the flip. Everything is set. Now we need to watch it, bro. Yes. So see, it's like 0 pound plus model. So pound journal every day பண்றாங்க. But I'll not journal every day பண்ணல. But instead of that, I doing my week weekends பண்றேன். Okay. In zero install YouTube, scroll till I make a custom statement, but still I ended up doing the same thing. I don't like it, but I'm kind of doing it. You can clearly see where it's take the support. I take the support right there. This is the market structure here. That is where the market takes support. So can't do anything. Bro. It will if it's fly, it's fly. Wait for another setup. Wait for another fucking setup, bro. Holy fuck. 9 o'clock, bro. So 9 o'clock manipulating lower. No panic, bro. If this is a missing trade, you can find another train, bro. There's always a train. You are panicking because you don't trust it. You don't believe it. You don't have that idea of it will happen again, again, and again, and again. If you just be disciplined enough to sit. Breakout structure, pullback displacement. So this would be my internal range liquidity. Let me see. Okay. If it's not giving anything for me, I need to it's crossed the 50% level now. I guess 50% has been met. So I need to see something. No, I cannot just simply take the trade because it's there. I could take it. Still, I could take it, but what? Think about it. If it inverted this candle, then it would be like, oh, 1 minute. I didn't go to 1 minute. Fucking shit. Good drop. If I don't find anything here with me, the liquidity should be this. See that. So far nothing, bro. So far nothing. So far nothing, 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 nothing. Think rationally, bro. Do you find anything inside that family to validate that entry? Obviously not. No entry model, no, nothing. I don't find nothing. At least it should close about this gap. So I can try this, give it a try. So far it's nothing. So just leave that high open and just drops down. Let me see. Mm, okay, 3 minutes. Nice respect. Here you see the bullish candle block. 5 minutes. Did you see the 5 minute fucking shit? It's 5 minutes a dumbass candle, bro. Dumbass candle. You gotta be patient. You gotta be patient. If it's not clear, I'm not gonna fucking take this entry. I'm don't fucking care because I will get another entry in next 1 hour, next 40 minutes, next 50 minutes. I need to be keep a mental capital reserve. I have to save my mental capital and trading capital. That's it. I have to keep my risk for the day. Then I get might get a chance. Mm. Simply inverted that candle, bro. Simply fucking inverted that candle. So what I can expect? It will drop down, take all its liquidity, now again it's straight back again. Should I expect that? Now we are inverting this candle. I open, we are inverting this candle. 3 minutes, not yet, but it's about to get inverted. 1 minute, like 5 minute, bro. It's fucking inverted this candle, bro. So obviously we could try this. Not an SMT. Yeah, no, bro. இதாண்டாச்சா என்னடா இன்னைக்கு complete week. The complete complete week. எல்லா பாடி பார்ட்ஸ் கவர் பண்ணியாச்சு. My days, bro. Yes, yes. Chevy drive to the time with the much better, right? Goal is bro, you should clearly know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. It's that simple. If you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. It's that simple. So it's created a gap here. And if you go to 3 minutes, we are still in line. Go to 5 minutes. They're dropping a little bit close here, but not exactly closed. 3 minutes, 1 minute. If it close, Don't be like like calm. If it missed or happened, what to do? It should cross beside you. This gap should get inverted. No, if you think permit it's only two below, but in 3 minutes it's not 1 minute, it's not actually it's actually volume. So you with a proper model, we could try that. That's a target. Holy fuck. It's also intoxicated this gear. It also created a bullish vibe, yeah. Okay, it's not actually. Don't think anything. Wait, the number in this question. Wait, fuck. You're a Chinese. The discussion we have still was enough. Can try see that. Obviously, it will come to this level. There is no point of denying it. It will come to this. Leave this with a date the lab. നമുക്ക് ഇൻവോഷനെ കിടച്ചാൽ fairly upgrade arrangement. Let's and trade with it. Applying a quota, you could target this. That's a good thing. Sorry, Paul, I'm not going to talk about. So literally, that's not getting me. Getting me. Not even give a single reaction. It just inverted this clean guy. It's simply not in this planet. So, so even if we shot here, Stop loss. You can take that because these are all the recipe. It all happens in 1 15 minutes. Can tell how funny it is, right? As soon as we get this animation, we should enter the start with the high. So if we get the breakup structure, you come to break one here. That's a scalping mentality. That is scalping. That is something I don't like to do. Do it, bro. This is the starters. What do you mean, bro? Are you crazy or what? Sit and watch the match. The match is pretty good. About to buy. If I'm just dumply, that's the reason why I don't want to buy inside the fan managers without having any kind of reaction. I should have some reaction, it's like some dumb clear. Still, I want some reaction. You understand what I mean? You want some reaction in order to 1 minute. It's like this low, go back, going back. So my whole idea is to see the price inside this level. Second quarter, then get this, and I want to see this low. Honestly, I want to see this. This is inefficiency. So we leave this liquidity open. That's a which major thing. We inverted this candle and it's closed below this level. Now it's still to a pullback. Okay. Holy fuck. And now we'll breakout structure. Obvious target should be this. Oh, it's 9:17, bro. It's 9 o'clock and high. So obviously, bro, could you look for some sort of short and targeting? No, no, there's nothing. It is extremely bullish. It is extremely bullish. There is no only one candle, which is just an indecision candle. Extremely bullish. Going back into that 5 minute, I want to see what is going to happen next. Okay. Inversion, because okay, sounds good. Sounds good. We'll drop all the way down. Take this liquidity, get that inversion, auto ship. I don't know, bro. What the fuck I'm gonna do? Drop lower, take this low. This is sticky ship, right? Low sticky ship. Internal range liquidity எடுத்துட்டு பேஸ் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. ஸோ இந்த ப்ரொஃபைல் கேப்புக்குள்ள என்ன நடக்கும் தெரியாம நான் எதுவுமே பண்ண முடியாது. இவ்வளோ பெரிய டைம் இன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிட்டு பிளேஸஸ் வந்து ஸ்வீப் பண்ணி அன்னைக்கு க்ளோஸ் ஆயிருக்கு. தட்ஸ் மேஜர் திங். Because structure, internal range liquidity, the inversion is obviously automatically bullish. So I need to be a little bit careful when it comes to this gap. And then 15 minutes, like the candle fails now, obviously this is the manipulation where you can expect it that way. So 5 minutes, I need to see that inversion to happen. 3 minutes, doesn't make any sense. Just below and just keep on going higher. Doesn't make any difference for me. 1 minute. 1 minute it just as soon as it stays this low, like this low, very first emotion of the screen, this you got this emotion, we got this emotion. So we got like two emotions that are also created. It seems like boom, inverter, and this photo got inverter, so we can enter here. Stop should get this low. It'll be like that. Got this emotion. Okay, I got this confusing. 2 minutes. Everyone, almost. Just getting confusion, bro. Mm. From this perspective, it could go for long. But this guy is stop loss of it's Here's another 3 minutes, it's frequently well. Don't get confused, bro. If you're confused, it will be really hard. I have in confusion. There's a 15-minute gap, 5 minutes gap there, but I don't find any gaps in other time frames. One thing. And after taking this, because it's already a functional model, after taking this internal range flexibility, it inverted one and two candles, and we are reacting this level. So fuck. Take on entry. So I should do take on entry and target higher prices. Just one entry. Mm, USD, USD. It should get ran through, bro. It should take the high. So right over you can enter here with the start with this level. Here's body, bro. I see. Here's the breaking point. What's the space break? You can see. You go break your. Transplant coach తిరిగి కూడా తెలియదు అన్నమాట എന്നോട് കോൺഫിഡൻസ് update and breaker structure also display side of that and if you go get every if you list up like long and I thought let me see in the gap in no direction I'm supposed to go internally created the emotion actually emotionally related to the fiction reaction and suffering. I just let me see how much it will be this purpose. If that's you those 26%. I'm not going to do this can say direction. Oh, for 6 42. Purple blue. Yeah. That's it. Economics. Son of a bitch, bro. What? That's it? Wait, you dopo quella che devo fare perché la small c'è quello da dove open la versione allora sono le che le mi era avrei più sono avrei cosa oh yummies veda che pappo veda che in der Channel che da questo Um, just a little too peaceful, or just a glow within the mall doesn't mean you fall that spot. You just don't know.
Fuck you, bitch. What up, boys? So good. So good sharing. Let's go. How did everything? I got there. Bro, love it. Love you. This is one of the worst interface interface. Fucked up. Crazy shit. Solid shit. No, it's all good. Nice. Way more better. There's about 30 seconds to finish. I can't find what do you need? Whatever you need, fit, you need trend lines, and nothing like that. Yeah. And and what else? Can't you actually freaking go back in time like that, right? So I've gotta go to 1 hour. Can we actually see the let's actually understand not just so what do we have the 1 hour left, 1 hour time. Save that shit. Line. Pretty base. Alright. So we got the 1 hour marked out. All these downloads is liquidity. I mean something, some 15. Yeah. Nothing. We're not anything with that like that. But what we have is this stupid boss. Yeah. Right. And I don't really need, you know, thanks for like say, say the shit. Box. Okay, space it. A lot of basic shit. Not well, the thing is that that's the highest expect that only this finance in price rejected. Probably can come back to basic. We're almost in the lowest, not exactly in equilibrium. Hope my screen sharing is I don't know.
I know that's wrong. This fucking shit always did that.
That's it.
Break in. That's it. Oh, okay, shit. Huh.
SMT.
That's not a good insight.
Oh my god, everything's so right. She works a lot. It's going. Yeah.
அதான் ஹோல்ஸ் வச்சிருக்கேன். இது ஸ்வீட்டு அது ரெண்டுமே
ஸ்வீட்டா?
ஆமா. அவனோட பாலை ஊற்றி வச்சிருக்கேன்.
சரி, கொஞ்சம் சாப்பிடுங்க. கொஞ்சம் சாப்பிடுங்க.
இல்ல ப்ரோ, புரியுதா என்ன சொல்றேன்னு? அதே இதையும் சாப்பிட்டு ஒரு மாதிரி இருக்கும், வாய் கோவம்.
பயங்கரமா இருக்கு.
என்ன பண்ண?
ஒண்ணுமே பண்ணல. மிளகாத்தூள், உப்பு.
ம்
That's it.
இல்லாட்டி வந்துச்சுன்னா பாரு. இல்லாட்டி பார்க்காத.
Waterville. Oseo orders place. What the fuck? Order modified. Oh shit.
Alpha India.
Use the interface bro. கன்றாவியா இருக்கு இந்த interface. Top step it's top G. ப்ராஜெக்ட் எக்ஸ காப்பி அடிக்கணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு கன்றாவியா இருந்தேன்.
ம் எல்லாருமே ஓன் பிரேக்ல யூஸ் பண்றாங்க ஓப்பன் பண்றாங்க டாப் ஸ்டெப் ஆல்ஃபா கேபிட்டல் ஃபண்டர் நெக்ஸ்ட் எல்லாம் ஃபண்டர் நெக்ஸ்ட்ல ஒன்று என்ன சொல்றாங்கன்னா நீ ப்ராஃபிட் எடுத்தீங்கன்னா அந்த ப்ராஃபிட் அக்கௌண்ட் அமௌண்ட் அப்படியே வந்து உங்க லைவ் அக்கௌண்ட் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணுங்க ஆயில் சொல்ல போடல சிக்கன்ல. ஓ
Yeah, it's gonna break even. It's gonna hit break even. There's sure. That's rejecting off 75%. We gotta pay by that. That's a clean version. It's not no. It's good. Yes. That I would like to take that. Take. Take house. Yeah, influence. Spilling sprayed. Sprays on. There's something at the bottom for the bottom 30-second version. Look the street. See that there's something out there. One's like in motion like that. So we gotta apply this to now that pretty simple. So there's a high possibility that has come back to understand. Go out there. And my start to understand. Not just talking. Yeah. Would have been a good knowledge with the kids. Usually they can't be where I stop down. Straight up done. Sure. Right direction. Holy shit. What was that? Company code.